Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Come Read With Me. Let's look into the today's topic. So our topic is survey raises concern over unconditional cash transfer, that is UCT. Okay, so what economic survey says? Economic survey 2025-26 warns against unconditional UCTs, that is unconditional cash transfer. They help in the short term but create long term financial problems. So why does it matter? What is the issue? Why it matters? Many states are increasing UCTs, cash transfer scheme, especially for whom? Especially for women's. Fine. So it is a midterm growth. Then if we talk about the total spending on such schemes is about 1.7 lakh crore, which is 2025-26 years. Then if we talk about the what is the main concern, the concern is number of state using UCTs has risen sharply. About the half the states running these schemes are already in deficit. Now the cash transfer take up a large share of the state budget. So you can see the at that time government is providing the UCTs to the women for their benefit. So what is the positive side for this and negative side for this? So we will first look into the positive side. What is the positive side? It provides the quick support, financial support to the women's. It helps women to meet basic needs and repay debts. So it is the positive side. Now what is the negative side? Negative side is to reduce the money available for roads, schools, hospital and infrastructure. It also increases fiscal burdens on what? On states. Many schemes have no limit to review, or there is a no time limit or review for such schemes. Okay, now if we talk about the fiscal trade-off or big trade-off, so higher spending on UCTs crowds out investments in social and physical infrastructure, increasing deficit further weaken financial burdens, and it also reduces the financial health of the states. Fine. If I talk about the many schemes lack sunset clause or periodic reviews or increasing rigidity, so these are the negative impact. So overall the survey message is that cash transfer should not replace jobs, skill development and human capital investment. At long term growth needs productive spending, not just cash handouts or just to emphasize on the UCTs, that is unconditional cash transfer. So this is all about for today's. Thank you. Have a nice day.